Hi guys, today I want to show you the project I just finished. This is the plan of my layout. This is the center section, the middle section. What I've done, I did it before, but not in 2-3 places. But now I have done it in 7. So I have broken the layout in 7 districts for circuit breakers. I have been expanding the layout all the time, so that's why I kind of postponed it until I was sure what I was gonna do. So now that I know I can't expand anymore, so I started doing it. So what I've done here, you can see there's a blue and a red arrow. So what it means this section here that has blue lines goes all the way across here. So this is one district. So going this way and going this way, and the red one goes all the way here to here and here. So this is another district, and the yellow, you can see it's broken in two here, so it goes all the way there. So this is 3 districts right here. You can see district 1, blue district 2, and yellow district 3. So the upper top level, this is the top level. So let me lift it better. So this is another 4 district here. And change hands. All right. So what this means here, let me show you. So you can see here I have put plastic ray joiners. So it means this is one district, this part is one district. So these are 2 separate districts. So all those arrows pointing this way and pointing that way means it's going to this side, and this one going to that side. So that's what it means. So back to the plan here, there are 4 districts. This is the peninsula, and this is the left, and this is the yard. I'm sorry, this is the mountain area, and this goes here to right this section here. So all of them are colored, so I know which one is what. So it works really well, and what I have used as a circuit breaker, it's kind of old school. It's brake lights. These are 1156 number. I bought it at AutoZone, 2 of them for $7, and I have 7 districts, so it's about $30 or so. It beats 300 something, the electronic circuit breakers. I read this article in Motor Railroader magazine years ago. I did a couple of them, but then I took it off. Then I put it back on now. I worked on it for, I would say, 13-14 hours. So my, I'm using MRC Advanced Square wireless, and I'm using a 8 amp booster, and there is a drawer in this section. I have the booster right there, and I had to do a lot of wiring, new wiring. Each section, each district needs a dedicated bus, so I had to bring all the bus wires here. I have built a kind of homemade distribution block, and there are 14 wires. They come, I'll show you, into the the distribution block. So I had to run new wires for each district. That was a lot of work. I have used 14-2 regular electrical wire. I'll show you. So this is where my booster is, and this is the receiver. I put it on this. I have to extend this. I have to find a wire to extend this receiver for the MRC, so I can put it in the center of the layout for better reception. So this is the distribution block I have built. I have numbered all the districts on it, and this is the booster. It says 10 amp. It's very powerful. Couple of times, one scale train and one Athearn got shorted, and gears inside the truck melted. So I had to replace the one in the SD42, but I found that quickly on the scale trains, and I was able to save it. So this is you can see this is 14-2 regular solid household wire, and since I do some electrical work in homes and stuff, this is the neutral wire. I had to take them out, so I had a lot of wires, luckily, so I didn't have to buy a new one. So this is the light bulb I have installed in one district here. I'm gonna demonstrate it for you. They work really well. I mean, it's I have run the trains a couple of times. They were short, and it stopped the train right away, and it worked really well. Let me turn on the booster. Yeah, I have to turn off the locomotive so the sound doesn't bother. Alright guys, I turned off the locomotive, so let me demonstrate it for you. So now I'm gonna short this district here, and the light on the bottom is gonna come on. Alright, I'm using a piece of metal to short it. See? And the cool thing about this is you will know where the short is or which district it is, because what happens, it illuminates the layout so you know where it is. In one wire and put it in between. So very simple. It works perfectly fine, very cheap. I mean, I'm happy with it, and it's been working fine. 2-3 times there was a short, the light bulb came on and worked perfectly. Alright guys, that's it for now, and thanks for watching, and as soon as I'm done with some other project, I'll post it on YouTube so you can watch. Alright, please don't forget to like and subscribe, And until the next video, thanks for watching.